Okay, so mixing tips. So today I'm going to give you guys two weird ones. Now, are they kind of hippy-dippy? Yup. Are some of you going to make fun of me in the comment section for these? Probably. But that's okay, they work for me and I swear by them, so today I'm going to tell you both of them. So the first one is to get your studio lighting in check. What does that even mean? Well, in order to mix our tracks, we have to get into a headspace to mix. And I don't know about you, but super bright lighting never does this for me. Like, am I trying to work on music or am I about to get a root canal?
Success! Oh, you son of a...
For me, I find it way easier to get into a mixing headspace when I can just turn off the main lights, turn on a lamp, set some mood lighting. And I mean, with all the smart lights and the LED strips and everything else you can get, this is actually pretty easy to do. And then with a simple click of a button or one voice command to Siri, you can instantly change the lighting in your studio. Alright, and tip number 2 is to close your damn eyes when you're mixing. Now, obviously working in a DAW, you can't close your eyes the whole time, you wouldn't be able to do anything. But if I'm working on something, if I'm trying to dial in, say, compression, I'll kind of get the compression to where I want it. And I'll just listen to a little section with my eyes closed. Or if I'm trying to set reverb levels on a vocal or something like that, again, the same thing. I'll kind of get it to where it sounds good and then close my eyes and listen back. And then I'll listen to sections of the track with my eyes closed. And after a little bit, when I think I'm in a good spot with the mix, I'll sit back and listen to the whole mix with my eyes closed. And who knows, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's one of those weird take away one of the senses, the other ones get heightened sort of things. I don't know, I'm not a bloody scientist. All I know is that if you sit back and take just a little bit of time here and there to listen to the mix with your eyes closed, for me anyway, I just seem to be able to hear a lot more detail. And a lot of things that I might have missed when I'm staring at a screen, trying to focus on that, suddenly when you listen to it with your eyes closed, it makes things a lot clearer. So those are my 2 weird mixing tips for you this week. I mean, give them a try. It doesn't cost you anything. And hey, it'll either work for you or it won't. And on that note, I just want to thank everyone for watching. I've been Mr. Jeff, and I'll see you all in the next one. So take it easy. Bye.